Hello everyone, so welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. I'm CHHUOY here, and today I will show you how to remove and replace this. It is called battery jumpers here. So before we get started and how we can remove and replace it, I recommend you to remove all of the stickers here, the key stickers. Just remove it like that. So you need to take it like this and put it back. And here is we are already too hot. So now you put that like this. Okay, you're gonna put it like this, and then I'm gonna use something that is very heavy, that can make it very good to do. Okay, and now we gonna use the same thing that is called pioneration. Here it is a pioneration. You need to be take it some of them and to move it around here. And now we're gonna use heat gun here. It is a heat gun, and put it below like that. Okay, and here is the pangulations, and it is starting to hotter and hotter. After it hot, you can remove it. You can take it like this. So here is the way that you can remove it, and then you take out that heat gun back. And the next, we're gonna place it more. We're gonna use the others one that can replace it by hitting the gun below the same. Okay, and make sure that you have been put just down below the batteries jumpers, not anywhere inside of this board. So before you do that, you have to make sure that you have put it just down below the battery only. And now it already plugs and work. And after that, you need to remove to clean it. You have to clean with gasoline. Now I'm gonna use gasoline here. And this place is still good. It's still not burning anything. And now you have done now. And here is the middle side. Okay, it already done now. and here's the way that it works. Okay, good, thank you.